Can we upload a story on Instagram from desktop? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try to figure out if we can upload a story on our Instagram from our desktop or PC. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing we'll do is open up our Instagram. To do that, open up a web browser, simply type in instagram.com and hit enter. After you do that, make sure that you're logged into your account. After you do that, normally when you use Instagram, there should be a plus icon with your profile picture right around here. But there is no such option currently. So let us head over to our profile. Now, even under there is no such option with the plus icon. So if I tap on this and if I just check that out, the option, as you can see, I can upload a photo, remove current photo, but that is for the profile photo. So there is no way I can do it normally. So let us head over to the mobile version of this. So to do that, what you need to do is head over to the three dots on the top right, and under more tool, you can see an option called, okay, let me go a little bit below, and under more tool, you will see developer tool. I'll simply head over there. And if I tap on this, this will basically change it to a mobile application. So I'll just do that, and there you can see it's now a mobile version of Instagram. Now, even after that, if I head over here, there is no plus icon or there is no way I can upload a story. So I hope this experiment helps you guys answer your question that you cannot upload a story from your desktop on your Instagram. And that is basically all for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.